SOFI is up fractionally by 0.68%. This is Friday, the 16th of January 2026, pre-market session. Not a lot of shares have crossed the tape so far, and its 50-day average is usually around 60 million shares. You probably already know that the company, unlike traditional big banks and regional banks in the US, it's all online, and it's geared toward a younger generation of consumers who are just getting started in personal financial management, and it's also digital, and its customers are digitally savvy as well. Okay, so let's see now what we have. There are several ways the company stands out from the large pack of new banks that are seeking to disrupt traditional financial services. Management often touts its one-stop shop model that aims to offer everything a user needs and all in one place. Okay, so the company also, the bank offers bank accounts, credit cards, investing tools, and much more, and everything is available all in one app. It also has international remittance, a global remittance product. Let's see now, powered by yeah, using blockchain to make it easier to using blockchain to make it easy and low cost amongst other things. Yeah, it's quite appealing to a lot of young people. It seems. Yeah, okay. Underlying trend is strongly bullish, but the stock has not been performing well since. Yeah, let's see now. Let's just say since the middle of November of last year, 2025. As a matter of fact, in the very short term, in the short, intermediate, and medium term, the trend is bearish. Okay, underlying trend still remains strongly bullish. The stock has been showing a lot of strength all the way back to 200 days ago. So positions opened 200 days ago, very much in profit. But the ones opened all the way back to 40 days ago may not be in profit. May not be in profit. The extrapolation is saying that lower prices may continue to print up till the 10th of February. There might be an attempt to break through the 40-day moving average, but it seems it may be rejected. So before February, the stock is expected to trade within this tiny space here. Within this tiny space here, not expected to go beyond it. And projections are currently saying 26.9, 28.24, 29.18. As I indicated earlier on, let's see what we have down here. Yeah, okay, yeah. Positions opened 10 days ago. I'm going back on my words, but these positions opened 10 days ago as just fractionally in profit, going by what we have here, 0.0954. It is positive, indicating that over the last 10 days, the stock, if you go back, check over the last 10 trading sessions, that moving average is above the it is above the current price of 260.60. So yeah, let's see what we have on its weekly. Before we do that, let's just have a look at some of the values we have here. We have these moving averages. You have them. These are the moving averages, and we'll have the projections. The projections are saying 20. Yeah, a lot of consolidation is expected. Let's see now. A lot of support around between 27 between 27 and 29, between $27 and 29. So right around where it is right now, a lot of support there, and also a lot of resistance. As a matter of fact, yeah, a lot of resistance there as well. So it may be presenting a buying opportunity as well. It may be presenting a buying opportunity as well, and at the same time, it may also be um, enticing to options traders. We'll just have a look at that before. Let's just quickly look at the 4-hour chart. Yeah, some positive on the 4-hour chart. It's saying that it might it's up right now. It's currently up, as you can see, 0.61, not a lot, but it's saying that it's going to hold it anyway up till Thursday the 22nd. Then after that, we might see a contraction. But if anything, if it's going to remain strong for that'll be 5 trading sessions of strength. Well, people will take it as well. People will surely take will surely take that. Yeah, projections here are saying between 22.17 and all the way towards 29.71. So yes, a lot of resistance here and support, mostly resistance. Positions opened. Let's see what we have here on its price. But yeah, you can see here positions opened all the way back to 40 hours ago at not in profit. You can see we have a negative here. Obviously, 40 hours ago is not the same as 10 days ago. So 40 hours ago positions opened are not in profit. In the very, very, very short term, yeah, it's not doing well. It hasn't done well. So yeah, we have a couple of resistances around here. We could also validate that with the market grid. Just have a look at the market grid. It gives us a range of possible prices. So yeah, what we have here. Okay, let's get down. Let's see between 27.13 and 25.85. It's currently trading at 26. What's the current price? The current price is 26.62. So this is where it is right now. It is just pretty much neutral, yeah, and the trajectory is to the upside. So you may well go ahead and test 26.64 and even 26.81, but no volatility, nothing is really expected as such. So yeah, a couple of resistances it has to breach. So going by all of that, we can have a look at its options grid. Yeah, no, have a note. I mean, take note of this 60 million shares, which is its 50-day average. You can see what we have here. You can see, you know, these. If you this is these will expire today, the 16th. Today, the 16th. Okay, it's the 16th of January. Options market makers are currently they have up to 4.6 million shares they are holding, because of these contracts, this alone. And then this alone, they are, I would say, not up to around 1 million, because you multiply, you know very well that each contract involves each contract involves 100 shares. So you multiply that by, you multiply this 33,715 by 100, and then you also multiply by zero point 0.3. So you get around 1 million shares. So you multiply the delta by the open interest, and you get an idea of what market makers may be doing or may have done. So as things stand right now, they're not. All I can just say is that they are definitely involved. What that 60 million involved there, that 60 million 50-day average it has. Market makers are key contributors to that figure. So let's have a look at the 20 January February 20. Let's see. These are a lot more. They're a lot more durable. They have up to 1 month before they expire. You can see here as well. They are quite decent as well, quite decent, and especially out of the money ones. Yeah, especially these out of the money ones. Not as much as what we have on the as much as what as not as much as what we have on the February 16 series. Obviously, I mean, probably because they're going to expire today. It can draw a lot of activity there. But yeah, they're not. Yeah, yeah. I mean, they're trying. The point I'm trying to make is that this is why these contracts are not minor. They are not minor. This we're looking at here, up to 560,000 shares. Here we have up to something like that as well. Here we have up more than 1 million. Here we have, so they're all contributing, and this is just what is still open. Some as they go during the various sessions, the volumes, these big figures may change. You know, and that it also includes these ones. You can see here as well. You can see here as well. You can see, this is actually decent. This is quite significant. This is on the put side. Yeah, so all of these, I would say, the market makers are probably the biggest players on the stock. They are. So people are playing the stock. They are dealing with the stock. They have seen those projections I've shown you, and a lot more, and a lot more. So I think market makers are they are what probably the biggest players in the biggest segment of market participants as it concerns SOFI stock. So yeah, yeah, that's what's going on. Yeah, that's what's going on. not much is expected in a very short time, even though here there is an expectation that it might bounce and hold up till the 22nd of January. But I think some people are benefiting from the situation of things, the way it is been trading uh, with a lot of resistance ahead of it. So some people are benefiting from that, and that's how the market is. Okay, so see what you make of SOFI stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.